Good morning, my YouTube friends and family. Sunday morning. It is gray. It is cold. Spitting rain right now. Big stories of the impending snow coming. They're saying 3 to 4 inches, 3 to 6 inches. Who knows what we're going to get? But that's not what I'm here to talk about today. We're headed out to one of the big events over the winter for most, I can't really say the old school bikers, but that's basically what we're going here to look for, is parts for some old school bikes. And we may even find some new stuff. We're going to the Howard County Fairgrounds, to the Apple Mountain Howard County Swap Meet. It's not a big one, but they do have some cool things that you could run across every now and then. A lot of the old bikers in Baltimore are hanging their helmets up. They're selling their bikes. People are going to estate sales and buying motorcycles that have been sitting in garages on stands for 30, 40 years. And for lack of a better way to say it, we're here to take advantage of that. So once I get up there, I'll get some footage of what we got going on up there. Y'all stick with me. Here we go. Going into the Howard County Fairgrounds. Looks like there's going to be a pretty sad showing today. Just started blowing a little bit of snow. This is the kind of things that you see at a swap meet. You got some old stuff. You got some new stuff. Everyday flea market type stuff. But then you got this old stuff like this. Stuff that most people would discard as trash. This stuff can be cleaned up and re-chromed and put back to life. One man's junk is another man's treasure. Dented up gas tanks that people will try to fix. Still getting decent money for them. Here's something you don't see every day. Broken up stuff like this, $20, $30. This time next year, you'll see them at a bike show all together. Parts that people have taken off their bikes because they crashed it and scratched it, and old wheels. Not too bad. How you making out?
Not too bad. Still got more to take home than I want to, but
I understand that. I've seen guys just leave stuff in a pile and point at a guy next to him and take his stuff with you.
Yep.
Got some old seats here. But yeah, everything can be recycled and repurposed. That's off a newer bagger. And it's not just Harley stuff. Look at here. Triumph parts. I can pretty much guarantee you, if you need it, it's here. It might not be in good shape. It might not be in good shape at all. But there's a new road glide interfering. And even with it snowing outside, there's still an easy 250 people in here. This time of the year, this is what it's all about. Finding shit that you need and putting it together. Most people would look at this stuff and think, man, what a pile of junk. Got holes in it, dirty, all nastied up. But those bags right there, I believe the guy said $200 a piece. It's the little things that people are looking for. Just about all the little things are here. Brakes, throttle bodies, handlebar clamps, speakers that look like headlights. Just about everything. Heated grips, CVO grips, any kind of mirror you could want. And even got a big old abomination like this.
What are those? Yes.
But yeah, this is what a swap meet is. You come in, you look around, you grab something. Everybody leaves with something every time. Yep, for the first time ever in the wintertime, it was hot inside. On my way out of the building now, and it's starting to snow. Oh no, everybody's gonna die. All right, well, after spending a couple hours walking around looking at stuff, I finally made a purchase. One of my brothers needs that for his new build. And we looked in every box, every bin, just about in the entire building. And was talking to an old boy about various motorcycle problems and issues. And I happened to see one on a transmission sitting in his bay. And I asked him if he had another one of those laying around. He said, nah, I ain't got another one laying around, but how bad do you need it? I said, well, my brother's been looking for one for a couple days now. But I'm not going to ask you to pull it off. He says, I haven't sold anything else today. Everybody's scared of the snow. So go ahead and take it off. I'll just count this weekend up as a loss. I'm not going to charge you anything for it. Well, I'm not that guy. The man took his time to come all the way from Hagerstown down here to try to make a couple dollars and get rid of a few things out of his garage. So I gave him 20 bucks. I gave him 10 bucks for the part and 10 bucks for taking it off. These old swap meets are a good time. You ever see one advertised and wondering what it is and what it is you can go find at one of these things, it's pretty cool. You'll see a lot of old antique stuff. Like, I've seen stuff in there for early 1900 motorcycles. And I've seen stuff in there for 2025s. But it's a good time either way. You get to go in and network and move around and look at cool stuff, and you might even find something you like or need. All right, y'all, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Y'all have a great day, and don't let the snow monsters get you.